Hello traders, so here is our today's trade report video, and as explained in my today's morning live trading shorts, I had taken trade in Nifty. That is for my R5 strategy because day's first 5 minute candle is a good red candle and there was a closing inside this red candle, so which activated our R5 strategy. But this trade I had exited just before it gave a good move, and it was not a luck. It was clearly based on study. But before I explain the reason behind my closing my trade around this 1345 candle, I will move to Bank Nifty, where there was R5B strategy clearly, because here also day's first 5 minute candle was a good red candle, but this strategy was not exactly as per the rules. And if you want to learn all these strategies for free of cost, you can join my Telegram channel, where I keep posting most of the details about the webinar, free webinars and everything. And here is my total strategy list. Out of 20, these yellow highlighted strategies I have already taught for free of cost. And coming back to the reason why I booked my profit around this 1345 candle is this kind of a parallel channel. I will just delete all this. So if you see, Nifty was in a good this kind of a parallel channel, even though we did not get the trade, but it was making a parallel channel. And as soon as I saw some reversal pattern here, I knew definitely my stop loss, trailing stop loss is going to hit. So I closed my position with very small profit. I don't say it a good profit, but very small profit as compared to my position sizing overall. And after which it went in a straight line, even though it has given our target today, but after hitting our stop loss it has given the target, so it doesn't matter. And to traders, to keep learning such simple things, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment, like and share with your friends.